Hello stock stalkers, happy weekend and welcome back. Last week was very slow, thin volumes. T-Com IPO is also over, but I'm pretty sure it will open with a bang. For now, let's talk about DFM index and let's analyze in detail. As we know, market is still in a bear zone. Friday's closing is right at 3201.90. We are seeing a bearish candle. Also at the same time, let me highlight market is below 200-day moving average. Talking about immediate resistance, for now we can see right here this zone that is 3236. This is immediate resistance, and then we have 3280 zone. Both these levels are minor resistance. Major resistance still lies here, that is 3360. Once market crosses this zone, market will be in bull area, and then we can say reversal is in play. And then slowly and steadily, as I mentioned, we will see market will make higher highs and higher lows. As I had showed in my previous video, we can say market is then bullish. Let's move up to weekly chart to analyze further in detail. This is the weekly chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. This is a bigger view of the market. Let me hide the drawings. Now we can see a price action that is bearish. Market hit the high of 3750, and from here we are seeing a solid red candle, meaning this is a strong resistance for the market. From here market is making lower lows and lower highs, meaning bearish, indication of a downtrend. Yes, on the weekly chart, if we see market is still about 200-day moving average, that is the reason in my videos I'm saying there is still last hope remaining. Market may consolidate right here in this zone, because previously we saw market have almost spent 2 months here and then it made a huge breakout to the upside. So this is a strong support and resistance area for now. Let's see how the market performs in this zone. This zone can be targeted as somewhere about 3140 till 3200. This is a zone for the market where we can expect some positive response. Coming down to daily again. So this is the daily chart, and this is the place where we are expecting some kind of positive response. So market may come down, struggle a bit here, and then we can expect a move. It will cross this 200-day moving average that is also acting as a resistance. But this is how the price action will unfold. Slowly and steadily. If at all market wants to reverse from here, this is a very good zone. We will see some congestion here and then expect a move to the upside. Till that time, as I mentioned in my previous analysis as well, any green candle in this zone is just a bounce. Like how we saw here, this huge green candle is not a reversal. It's just a bounce at 200-day moving average. As I mentioned in my previous video as well, if market have to show some symptoms of bullishness, market will first cross the minor resistance, as I mentioned, somewhere around 3236. This will be the first clearance, and then second clearance will be this red line. It is a minor resistance as well. At the same time, we will see a cross of this trend line, and then finally market will face major resistance, that is 3360. So again, just to have a quick recap, market should break all this resistance, and then we can expect market have reversed and we are in bull territory. Yes, many hurdles ahead, but this is what it is. In order to reverse, bulls have to show the power, bulls have to come out and show some aggressive buying. I hope guys this analysis was helpful. Do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.